Welcome. You will need the following pieces of information if you intend to follow along with this video. An email address you are willing to create an account with, the physical address where you would like your order to be shipped, a credit card you would like to use, optionally, the KC number for the product you would like to purchase. Now that you have gathered the required information, we can begin. First, click inside the search input box located at the top of the web page. Once activated, simply input the KC number of the product you are searching for. Note, you can also search for a part's common name, for example, IntelliTube. Next, press Enter on your keyboard or click the search button to the right of the search input box. If the product you are searching for is available, it will appear in the search results after clicking Search. Look through the products listed in the search results and click on the product you wish to purchase. If you would like to examine the product further, you can hover your mouse over the image to zoom into that picture. You can also view other gallery images by clicking on the main image and clicking the numbers below. To exit the image gallery, click the X located at the top of the image gallery window. If you would like more specific information regarding the product you are attempting to purchase, simply scroll down and view all the included information. Some products even have videos. Below the product information, you can find similar or recommended products which complement the product you are currently inspecting. After viewing all the product information, you can enter the quantity you would like to purchase in the quantity input box and click Add to Cart. A cart pop-up box will appear, letting you know the items have been added to your cart. Once you are certain you would like to purchase the product, click on Checkout in the cart pop-up box. Once inside your shopping cart, you have the option to quickly view shipping costs. To see this information, scroll down to enter in your shipping details into the Calculate Shipping area. Once you are satisfied with the costs, scroll down and either sign in if you have created an account with us before, or click Proceed to Checkout if you are a new customer. In this example, we will create an account as a new user. Input your information into the new user form. Create a strong password. Choose a shipping method. And lastly, choose what type of payment option you would like to link to your account. Note that you are free to enter in other information, such as comments or a custom purchase order number. Once you are satisfied with all the information and order totals, click on Place Order. This final screen will indicate your order has been placed. Your order will be sent to our team, and your order receipt will be emailed to the address you entered in on the new customer form. Thank you for watching this instructional video on how to place an order with Rotomart.